Hey guys, welcome to our crazy RV. Today I'm going to show you what to do at a dump station if you've never done this before. It's really easy. We're going to go through it quick. So I keep my stuff in a tub, but you keep it wherever you want. Like some RVs, you keep them in the back bumper, but ours, we use these Rhino septic tubes, stinky slinkies, and they don't fit in the back bumper, so I got to keep mine in a tub. Someday I'll put something on the back, but always use gloves because you never know what you're going to get on your hands, and you hate getting sick on the road. The first time I ever did this, I actually I didn't get this on correct, so you got to make sure this clicks on there right. I didn't get it on there right. I opened this up and this popped off and I had everything going everywhere. It was exciting. But I've got 3 valves under here. You may have different. Got our tube, one there. We're going to start with the black tank first. It contains all the good stuff. And the other thing, our RV actually has a flush tank, so we're going to use that as well. This really helps because it'll flush out some of that stuff that you don't want in your tank. Now that I got that open, I'm going to open up my gray water tanks. And then we're just going to wait for it to get done. Close off my black tank. Close off my gray tanks. Open this up. There'll be a little bit in there. And then, depending on your dump station, you should have a little bit of hose you can carefully open this up and run some fresh water down there. Clean that out. Don't forget to put your cap back on. Don't want to lose that. That's how you use a dump station. Any questions, any tips, leave them in the comments below. Love to hear from you. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next video.